Robert Brown was a Scottish bioscientist and naturalist who lived from the year 1773 to 1858. He is best known for his pioneering work in the field of botany, where he made several important contributions to our understanding of plant cells and their structure. Brown was born on December 21st and on the 21st of December 1773 in Montrose, that is Scotland. He came from a wealthy and well-connected family, which allowed him to receive a good education. Although he initially studied medicine at the University of Edinburgh, Brown soon developed a keen interest in botany. In the year 1801, Brown joined Matthew Flinders on an expedition to Australia as the ship's naturalist and botanist. It was during this expedition that Brown made his groundbreaking discovery. While studying plant cells under an early microscope, he noticed an erratic random motion of pollen grains. He recognized an erratic random motion of pollen grains suspended in water. This observation was later dubbed Brownian motion in his honor. Robert Brown spent his next few years conducting extensive research on plants and their reproductive systems. His studies led him to propose the existence of a cellular nucleus, which was a significant contribution to the field of biology. He also discovered and described numerous new plant species, many of which were named after him. In the year 1827, Robert Brown was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society, recognizing his scientific achievement, where he went to hold prestigious positions. He went on to hold prestigious positions in various scientific institutions, including the Linnean Society and the Botanical Society of London. Throughout his career, Robert Brown made significant contributions to botany and profoundly influenced the field of biology. He pioneered new microscopy techniques and made important advancements in plant taxonomy and morphology. His work laid the foundation for our current understanding of plant cells and reproduction. Robert Brown continued to work in the field of botany until his death on 10th of June 1858 at 17 Dean Street, Soho Square in London. His legacy lives on in his numerous scientific publications and the many plant species named in his honor. Brown's work continues to inspire and influence scientists up to this day. So if you want to know more about Robert Brown as one of the pioneers in hereditary science and genetics, you can refer to Australian Dictionary of Biography. And also you can refer to Dictionary of Canadian Biography.